In a move to spur housing demand and revive the sluggish real estate market in Gurgaon, the Haryana government has slashed circle rates by 15%. The first time the government has taken this decision in almost a decade. Is this a magic bullet that will help a demand come back on track? And will the other governments follow similar suit? Let's find out. Faced with the real estate sector in Gurgaon plummeting, the Haryana government has taken the unprecedented step of cutting circle rates for immovable property by a massive 15%. The first time such a cut has occurred in over a decade. With this move, the government is clearly hoping that demand in the market will pick up.
By reducing collector rate, we are not going to lose revenue, but instead, because there is a buoyancy, more people will come for conveyance rate. We felt that there will be an increase in revenue to the exchequer.
The circle rate is the minimum value at which a plot, house, apartment or commercial property is sold and determines both the stamp duty a buyer has to pay and the capital gains tax that a seller is charged. Cutting rates will definitely make it cheaper for buyers and sellers to purchase property, and developers in the region are already hailing the government's decision.
The circle rate, the reduction in the circle rate would definitely have a positive impact in the market, because right now, if you talk about the buyers that are there in the market, they are definitely end users who are looking to buy a ready property, and definitely when they take possession, they have to go for the registry of the property.
So I think this has been a very good move by Haryana government, and the markets have been such that all stakeholders have been trying to reduce whatever was there in the entire total sale price to the customer. Started with developers offering freebies and trying to pass on maximum discounts. I think the next step from the government should be to bring down certain taxations, because even the taxations are pretty high on the various stages of the product.
While developers are happy about the move and asking for more, real estate experts are cautioning people not to be too optimistic, claiming that the cut in circle rates will only have a marginal impact.
Between 5 to 7% is what the stamp duty is of the value of the property, and there is a correction of 15% on that. So even if I take the highest percentage of about 7% on stamp duty, it's about 15% on 7%, which is roughly about 1% or so. So 1% on the overall cost of transaction is not a very large significant sum, even though any reduction in cost of transaction is always helpful.
After Gurgaon, all eyes are now on the Noida real estate market, where buyers and developers hoping that the UP government will follow suit. But sources tell NDTV that the UP government is actually planning on hiking circle rates by 15%. And if that happens, it is sure to dent the real estate market in the Noida region. Chanakya Bhatia for NDTV.